Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me this easy to make exotic refreshing pineapple mango juice, and a special thanks to my ginger. Is just what you need when you're looking for a tropical juice recipe to brighten your day, full of nutrients and is naturally made just to boost your immune system. So if you want to learn this juice recipe, please stay tuned and let's get it started. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my pine and mango drink. Over here I have my sugar. I'm just going to use a little bit of my sugar because I want that fruit juice. I don't want to use too much of my sugar. I want that natural fruit juice, right? I have me here a piece of ginger just to give it that little ginger taste. I have me 2 mangoes. You could use whatever mango you have. I have my mangoes here. I said, no, what? Let me use it up. So I'm just gonna use 2 mangoes. And over here, I have my pineapple. Who loves some pineapple? Let me know in the comment section. Alrighty. So you will also need a blender to blend up all of your fruits here. And basically that's it. You need water and stuff like that. So guys, let's get this process started. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to peel all my fruits and put into this container right here. So at this point, I'm cutting off the flesh from my mango because that's what I want. Look at that, all that nice juicy flesh. Ooh la la. If you love some mangoes, let me know in the comment section. And voila, there you have it, my juicy mango. We are going to cut up our pineapple, okay? So first you want to remove the bottom of the pineapple. So take the bottom off the pineapple, spin it around, and just cut the top just like so, okay? Pineapple is one of my favorite fruit. The reason why it's one of my favorite fruit now, the smell is everything, and it's loaded with nutrients. It may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. So, it helps to, get your immune system on track, help to fight a lot of inflammation. And yes, so we're just cutting up our pineapple into smaller bits. So we're gonna blend our pineapple. So we want to make sure it's in a smaller bit so your blender doesn't get messed up. And I'm just cutting up my ginger. The ginger now, you don't have to peel your ginger. I'm just using it as it is because I want all of that naturalness in my fruit juice. And there you have it. Look at that nice yellow golden color of my pineapple, my mango, and my ginger. This is a nice combination. This is natural fruit juice. At this point, I'm adding my fruits to my blender. We are gonna blend our fruits in section. So after I finish this first batch, I'm gonna continue the exact same process until our fruits is finished blending up. Adding me water to cover my fruits. Please make sure your fruits is covered. We don't want to mash up our blender. We want to make sure this process runs smooth. And we're gonna blend away. Look at all of this natural fruits combining together. Ooh la la. It's the richness of my fruits for me. If you love some fruit juice, comment below and tell me what you think about this natural niceness. And then we're finished blending the first batch and it looks super good. That ginger smell in this is everything. So what I'm gonna do now here, I'm going to strain off my fruit juice. After we finish blending, we're gonna strain it. Please make sure you use your strainer because we want to get all of that pulp. We want to get all of that nice juice, refresh and smooth. So use your spoon to just mix until you get all of that juice from the pulp. And this is what I'm talking about. We want to make sure when we finish straining off our juice, we get all of that dryness from the fruit, because we don't need that in our juice. Okay, we don't need all of that. Alrighty guys, make sure it looks like that. And look at my juice. Look how the strainer helps to get me all of that niceness. Ooh la la. And I'm just continue the exact same process when I blend up my fruits. Blend up your fruits. Use your strainer to strain off the excess pulp of the natural fruits. We don't need that in our juice, okay? But if you want to go ahead and just drink your fruit juice as it is, you can go ahead and do so. And I'm just gonna give it a second strain because I don't want to taste the pulp in the juice. I want my juice to taste, you know, smooth, refined and nice. Okay guys? And yes. Now I'm going to sweeten my fruit juice. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to use a lot of sugar in my fruit juice because I want that naturalness, that natural taste from my fruit juice. And this right here, it is super thick. The smell is everything. That ginger smell, that strongness of my ginger, the combination of the pine smell and my mango. It is a nice combination. And guys, please sweeten according to your taste buds. We have different taste buds, so please sweeten how you want your natural fruit juice to taste. This is the way how I want it, and voila, it is the yellowness for me. OMG, I am loving this right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in and give it a little taste test. Perfect. This is oh so good. You just need to get chilled in the fridge. Ooh la la. And I'm all finished. So what I'm gonna do now is take my little time and pour my natural fruit juice into my jar, giving you guys a closer look to see all of this niceness. Refreshing, smooth and nice. The smell, I'm telling you, is everything here. Natural fruit juice is the way to go. You cannot go wrong in this hot summertime. And I'm adding me some ice cubes because I love whenever I'm drinking my juice. It is refreshing and nice. Taking my little time again and pouring it over my ice cubes. Ooh la la. The smell is giving me life. OMG. Natural fruit juice in the summer, guys. Eating your favorite food or taking a break from work or school. And there you have it. My natural pine and mango drink with ginger in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please do not forget to turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. Please do not forget, guys, to comment and tell me what you want to see me cook in my kitchen. And also, please do not forget to comment and let me know what you think about this natural pine and mango drink with ginger in my kitchen. Please try it at home and let me know how yours turn out. I want your honest feedback in that comment section. Please do not be afraid to comment. I respond to each and every comment when I have time. If it takes me 2 to 3 weeks, I will respond. So please let me know what you think. Please stay safe, stay prayed up, drink your natural fruit juice, and stay blessed. David and Jody love each and every one of you. So see you guys soon. Bye, guys.